Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the watch add to restock button. I think this is where people were confused in the previous video, and it just showed up for me, if I'm being completely honest. But basically, you do have to play the game a little bit longer for this to kind of show up. So you have to wait a few, I guess, minutes or seconds. I don't know why, but basically you are going to wait, and it's not going to always be there. So for instance, you did use the watch add to restock button like one time, and then it's like not there anymore, but maybe it's because you've already kind of stocked it. The mechanics are a little bit confusing, but you do need to wait a few seconds. You do also need to purchase some from the seeds first. It didn't show up until I purchased some of the seeds, so maybe that's the reason why as well. But if you have any questions or it's still not showing up for you, maybe it's only available in certain regions as well. I'm not entirely sure, but here's just me explaining why it may not be there for you guys, because it wasn't here when I just opened the game, so I had to play for a little bit more, and I had to purchase some seeds. But it may be different for everybody. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.